What you are seeing right here is one of the birdhouses that I made from the old chest of drawers. And if you'll notice, this particular one, the entire front and roof fell off of it. Which there was nothing living in it, so that was good. But you can see how the panels just split and it fell right down one day, usually when the rain happens. So I'm discovering a disturbing bunch of cracks on the owl house up here. So last night's rain has weakened it. It's been up there for 2 years now. It's 2011 that I put it there. So I'm gonna have to do something I don't want to do, and that is get up there and shore it up. You can see on this side it's really splitting pretty badly. So I'm gonna try to attach it to the tree itself with a couple of brackets that I made right here. The owl knows what I'm up to. I've got these brackets and I've pre-drilled them. And I have the screws in there, so it should go real fast. But these will fit up, and then I'll drill right into the tree. I'm just afraid. I don't want to mess with them, but it's supposed to rain again in the next couple of days, and if the thing falls apart, it's all going to be for naught anyway. So I'm just going to put these braces up there. Okay, without too much fanfare, I was able to get the braces on there. This side was really bad. It was starting to really separate. So I think The disaster has been averted, I'm happy to say. And hopefully everything, it looks like it's gonna rain again tonight. And if it rained, it would have soaked that wood. You can see this sky is getting really gray over there. Just another one of the little bits of drama in the owl adventure that we're having. And just so you know, now that we have the owl house all fixed up and safe and secure for tonight's storm, we're going to make pot pie. So we've got the crust down here browned. It's gonna be hot. So I got the top crust. Everything's gonna fall apart. Put the filling in. Oh, look at that. It's going to be kind of a thin chicken pot pie.
Oh, it looks good.
Now we'll take this. Lay it over top. Oh yeah. And there we go. It's ready for the oven. Let me stick it in there. It'll be a great evening, especially now that the owls are safe.